The matter of State of Ohio versus Ryan J. McBride, case number 15 CRA 1351. Are you Ryan J. McBride?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you received a copy of the complaints?
Yes, ma'am.
When did you receive a copy of the complaints?
Just now, ma'am.
Have you had a chance to read them?
Yes, ma'am.
You wish to waive the reading of the complaints? Or would you like me to read them?
Wait.
You've been charged with obstructing justice in violation of Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.32A4. Obstructing justice is a felony of the third degree. If you are convicted of a felony of the third degree, it carries with it a minimum term of 9 months confinement, maximum 36 months confinement, up to a $10,000 fine. Understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
You've also been charged with gross abuse of a corpse in violation of Revised Code Section 2927.01B. That's a felony of the fifth degree. If you're convicted of a felony of the fifth degree, it carries with it a minimum term of incarceration 6 months, maximum 12 months, up to a $2,500 fine. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's make you aware of your constitutional rights. You have a right to a jury trial, although that would not take place here, it would take place in the Court of Common Pleas. You have a right to come in your favor. You have the right to require the state to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, front and cross-examine witnesses against you. You have the right to compulsory process to obtain witnesses. You have the right to testify at that trial, but you cannot be compelled to do so. You need not make any statement at any point in these proceedings, but any statements made can be used against you. You have a right to a reasonable bond. You have the absolute right to represent yourself. And you have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, the court will appoint one for you. It's a $25 application fee to qualify. You would need to file a felony, 2 felonies. You have a right to a preliminary hearing. A preliminary hearing is a probable cause hearing that will be scheduled within 10 days. It will be in this court. It is to determine if there was probable cause to believe a crime was committed and probable cause to believe that the appropriate person was charged with those crimes. If probable cause is found, the case will be bound over to the grand jury for further proceedings. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you have a right to that financial affidavit. You have a right to a reasonable continuance to secure counsel in this matter as well. Now, because you've been charged with probable cause or preliminary hearing within 10 days, I will only take up the matter of bond and whether or not you wish an attorney to represent you in this matter. So do you intend to hire an attorney, or do you want to see if you qualify for court-appointed counsel?
Qualified.
So you want to take the application and
Yes, ma'am.
we'll get you that application. Does the state wish to be heard on the matter of bond?
If it please the court, because these charges are connected with a murder case, and because the investigation is ongoing, we recommend a higher bond than usual for felonies of this severity. We would recommend that on the charge of obstructing justice, the court impose a bond of $60,000, and on the charge of gross abuse of a corpse, a fine of $15,000. For a total of $75,000. We recommend that the bond be cash surety of property and that a recognizance bond not be allowed.
I will follow the recommendations made by the prosecutor in this matter, and I will assess bond for obstructing justice, felony of the third degree, in the amount of $60,000, cash or surety of property, and $15,000 cash or surety property on the gross abuse of the corpse. This matter will be set for a preliminary hearing within 10 days. Any further?